Welcome to my honest review of Less Annoying CRM. This website offers a straightforward solution for small businesses looking to manage their customer relationships without the complexity of larger CRMs. As soon as you visit the site, you'll notice its clean design, emphasizing simplicity and ease of use. First, let's take a look at the main features. Less Annoying CRM provides tools for managing contacts, tracking leads, setting reminders, and logging activities. The layout is intuitive, with a dashboard that gives you a quick overview of your most important tasks. Adding contacts is easy. Just fill in basic information like name, company, and phone number, and you're good to go. One of the standout features is the ability to track your sales pipeline. You can easily move leads through stages and see where each deal stands. There's no complicated setup or configurations, making it perfect for businesses that want to jump in quickly without spending too much time on training. The task management system is also useful, with the ability to create tasks, set due dates, and assign them to specific team members. You can even link tasks to specific contacts or deals, making it easy to stay organized. The mobile app is another nice feature. It's simple and works well for managing your tasks on the go. Although it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of some larger CRM apps, it's more than enough for small businesses that need a quick and easy way to manage contacts and tasks while traveling or working remotely. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, let's talk about pricing. Less Annoying CRM is incredibly affordable compared to many other CRMs on the market. It has a flat rate pricing model, so you pay a fixed fee every month, regardless of how many users you have. This makes it great for small teams or solo entrepreneurs who don't want to worry about complicated pricing tiers. Overall, Less Annoying CRM lives up to its name by offering a simple, no-frills CRM experience that helps small businesses stay organized and manage customer relationships with minimal effort. If you're looking for something that's easy to use and doesn't come with a steep learning curve, Less Annoying CRM is definitely worth considering. Make sure to like this video if you found the review helpful and subscribe for more content on useful tools for small businesses.